Hey, it's Scott with HCO and more here at the world's largest cuckoo clock. Wanted to bring this to you so you can get a chance to see it go through its motions. It's going to go off here in about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause that video. And then as soon as it starts up, I'll kick it on so you can see it. Hope you enjoy this. The world's largest cuckoo clock, downtown Sugarcreek, Ohio. If you like these types of videos, be sure to subscribe. So that is the world's largest cuckoo clock, located in Sugarcreek, Ohio. Every half hour plays its music. They dance. And it's just a really neat little show. It's all free. So stop by downtown Sugarcreek, where you see the Swiss theme throughout the town. It's really a neat little place to stop. So stop in, enjoy it. Tell them HCO and more sent you. If you like these types of videos, be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Stay tuned for a lot more from Holmes County's Amish Country.